So this is a tool. Gapminder is a free website, and they've taken the statistics from the last 200 years and different countries, levels of income, life expectancy, GDP, health, and they've made it they visualized it so that students can see what happens in different countries. Now, the size of the country represents the population, so the larger the country, the larger population, and excuse me, the area of the world is represented by the color. So when students look at this starting in the 1800s, they can see that India and China, very low life expectancies, and as you hover over a bubble, it'll tell you what it is. They can also compare the United States and look at what happens. Why was there a dip there? When we get into the time period of the World Wars, you'll see the United States take a drastic dip in life expectancy as well because of the loss of life in the wars. So students can change the parameters, and then they can take their video and save it, share it with the URL, and then they post it to an online discussion, and then they can compare with each other and see what they've kind of discovered. So it's a great way to see data and to visualize it.